Welcome to the OPUS OP2 Packdown video, where we'll show you the simple process from beginning to end. This video features one person doing the packdown of the camper. However, having an assistant makes for easier packdown. So remember, when using an assistant, be mindful of where they are during any procedure so as not to cause accidental injury. The first step in packing down your OP2 camper starts in the interior with the lounge. Remove the rear back cushions and place them to the side. Then remove the two side back cushions and place them on the floor. Lower and slide the folding table back into its travel position and put the rear back cushions on top of the table. Ensure the back cushions are level with the base of the couch, as this will help when closing the lid. Before exiting, remember to open the shutoff valve located just near the door, as this will allow easy inflation of the tent next time you use your OP2. Make your way outside and unclip the canvas door of your OP2. Lift the foldable stairs and secure into position by using the OP2 keys. Remember to close the plastic flaps on the locks, as this will keep dust from getting into your locks when towing. Next, unpeg the two straps at the rear of the camper. If you've chosen to use screw-in pegs, use a cordless drill to remove them from the ground. Move around to the side of your OP2 and open all 5 air valves. As the air beams begin to deflate, assist by pushing the canvas inward. This will help the canvas pack down into the optimal position in your OP2. While the canvas is deflating, walk around your OP2 and unfasten the canvas from the corners. Then start to flatten the canvas out. For those with an annex attached, please refer to our video on packing down your annex for further information on this step. It's important the canvas is tucked away from the edges, as this will allow the lid to close tightly against the seals. Move to the front of the OP2 and release the two front lid latches. Then fold the lid over. The gas struts will make moving the lid easy, but always assist the lid and don't allow it to drop in the downward position. The canvas may naturally start to hang over the edge of the OP2 body during this process. Allow the lid to rest in a slightly open position and continue to tuck the canvas inside the OP2. Make sure nobody else pushes the lid down whilst you're tucking in loose canvas, as this may trap fingers and cause personal injury. Next, use your arm on top of the OP2 lid to push down and hold in position. Start with the latch closest to the rear, but before you close this latch, again tuck in any loose canvas that may be caught between the seals. Once the rear latch is closed, continue on to the center latch, then close the remaining latch. Move to the opposite side of your OP2 and close the remaining 3 latches. Once the tent is compacted in the OP2 body, some of the latches may need a smaller adjustment to make them tighter. Simply do this by rotating the latch. Move to the cage side of the OP2 and remove the locking pins holding the roof cage in the vertical position. Carefully lower the roof cage into the travel position and secure with the latches. Gather the latch pins from the control panel compartment, move around the OP2 and secure all the latches with the pins. Remember to secure the roof cage in the travel position with their locking pins during this process. Use the winder handle and raise all 4 stabilizer legs and lock them into the travel position. To speed up the process of lowering and raising the stabilizing legs, try using a cordless drill with the correct attachment. Lastly, head to the control panel and turn off the power buttons. If you want to keep the fridge running whilst travelling, leave the main power button on. But remember, this will drain the battery if left on for longer periods of time without a charge input. It is recommended that you leave the wheel chocks in place until your OP2 is connected to your vehicle. Once that's done, then remove the wheel chocks and store them in your OP2 ready for use next time. Congratulations! Your OPUS OP2 camper is now fully packed down and ready to travel to your next destination.